Hello YouTube, this is Heathen Airsoft. I'm Wolf with you today, and today I've got a little unboxing. So, boring. Still boring. Yeah! And today's package is coming from Amazon.com, and it is a triple stacker mag pouch for my plate carrier Condor multicam, and I picked this up on Amazon for only $27. It'll hold 6 magazines, and I'll put a link in the description. So we've got some new content that we'll be putting up very soon, and we'll have a team update that'll be going up soon, and also a look at the start of my plate carrier. So have a good day. This is Wolf with Heathen Airsoft, signing out.